My name is Devon Rosen. I'm an assistant professor at the University of Hawaii at Manoa.
Okay, so one of the big ideas in your presentation is that the more people interact, the more they become the same.
Yeah.
But talking about the internet, that doesn't happen in a kind of monolithic way. It happens in bubbles. So if we do some meta-analysis for once, like this video as a source of communication will create kind of a bubble of similarity with other people in the NCA, people who watch it online, but it won't filter across the internet and create a sort of broad similarity.
Well, I mean, what Dr. Hamilton was talking about is that perhaps it will not cause similarity. People might disagree with what I'm saying. I mean, maybe not with that I'm from the University of Hawaii, but you know, there can be convergence or divergence. And one of the things that Dr. Barnett and I were talking about was that, you know, based on the second law of thermodynamics, the more we communicate with each other, the more we'll become alike. I mean, you put two things next to each other, the heat will stabilize, and there's a lot of data in the field of communication showing that that is the case. However, one of the things that we were talking about is that if I'm able to communicate with others that are like me, that agree with me, I won't become more like you because I have that contact, which we were calling a bubble. So when we were looking at the global internet network, I was sort of positing that the communication technologies that are developing, instant messaging, video, Skype, Facebook, stuff like that, will allow me to maintain a connection with my core social network, which it doesn't matter if I move to Singapore. I am now still communicating with, sharing photos with, interacting with the network that has stabilized my culture. So I think that these technologies will allow us to maintain core cultures, but the sub and micro cultures within those areas might disappear. And we're seeing that linguistically, and we're seeing that religiously and stuff like that. So it'll be fascinating to see what happens over time.